Hello, boys and girls. How you doing today? My name is William Balentine, the Ventriloquist, and I'm here with Sonny, the Parrot. Well, can't you say hello to the boys and girls, Mr. Sonny the Parrot? Come on, say hello. I know you can talk. I think you can talk. I heard you talk before. The boys and girls even heard you talk. So why don't you say hello to the boys and girls? Mr. Parrot, say something to the boys and girls. We know you can talk, okay? Look, I thought you were a talking parrot.
I thought you was a hypnotist.
Hey, I don't have nothing to do with a hypnotist. I'm not a hypnotist. Why would you say something? I don't have nothing to do with those people. They put people to sleep.
I think everyone's going to sleep.
Hey, I'm a ventriloquist. Okay? Can you say the word ventriloquist?
Ventriloquist.
No, not ventriloquist. Ventriloquist.
Ventriloquist.
No, look, break it up in syllables. Say van, trill, low, quist. Now put it all together. Say ventriloquist. We got me saying ventriloquist. Say that.
Ventriloquist.
No, Mr. Parrot. It's ventriloquist. Say it. Ventriloquist.
Ventriloquist.
No, Mr. Parrot. Ventriloquist. Come on now. Stop doing that. Hey, are you trying to mark me? Mr. Parrot, stop it. I thought you were supposed to be a parrot, not a mockingbird.
And I thought you were supposed to be a ventriloquist.